Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now what I want to do is I want to do a quick unboxing of a case that I got on Amazon. I got a new case for my Z Flip 5. This one's ripping up, and I've had it for a while, so it's time to get a new one. So I'm going to say goodbye to this old one and slap on a new case. All right, so let's go ahead and open this package up. Now, I wasn't actually really even looking for cases, and this one just popped up. This is a case by Caseology, which is a very good brand. And this case actually retails for like $30, $35, and I was able to get it on sale for, I think, $14.99, so $15. I'll put the link in the description, so let's go ahead and see what the case looks like. All right, so I only had two colors, and this one was the one that was on sale, so I said, let me grab it. Okay, so here it is. This is the case by Caseology. Let's go ahead and take that off and take this part off. All right, so this feels a lot sturdier than the case that I had previously. Now, I'm not actually sure what are all these stickers here for. I'm sure that this has some kind of meaning, so I guess this is non-slip, so I think you would take this off, pull these off, and then that would help it to not fall off, right? So this is basically exposing the tape underneath like that. And so what's going to happen is when you take that off, you're able to stick this on firmly without the case having to fall off. So I take it, you put it like this. All right, let's go ahead and slap that on. Put it on tight, press it in. All right, let's go ahead and press that in like that. Okay, and then let's do the same here for this part up here. And there we go. So take all these little pieces of tape off. They get a little sticky, so got to get rid of them. All right, I think there's a couple more pieces here and here. All right, so there's one more down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. The thing is, to get a proper case for these phones, it's kind of hard because the phone is pretty much in two pieces. See, I didn't take this one off, so let's go ahead and take this off again here. Clear all of them. All right, slap this on. All right, and here it is. Now, I mean, that's about as good as it gets. I mean, it's not heavy, it's light, it's a good case. The color's nice, it's different. They said I'm not choosy when it comes to colors, but it's okay. It's okay. To be honest with you, it's really difficult to make a perfect case for a flip phone. There's some that have like the ring holders. Those are kind of cool, where you can just kind of, flip it around in your finger. Some are just one piece, some are two pieces, but most of the ones that I've seen are all two pieces. So that's why, to design a case for a flip phone, it's kind of weird, because it's like you can't really put a one piece on here and just slap it on and hopeful that it's going to work perfectly, because at the hinges, because I think where the hinge is where they always have to have the issue. Now, I've seen some where the hinge is just like really, it's like covered up here, but it's like sticks out. So all in all, I like it. I'll put the link in the description. Tell me if you guys like this. If you guys are interested in this case, I'll do it. Like I said, I really didn't want to buy a case because I thought I was going to upgrade to the Z Flip 6, but since I'm realizing that it's pretty much the same phone as Z Flip 5, I'm going to stick with this one for another year. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. So don't forget, subscribe down below, hit the like button. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.